I forgot to film an intro, so this is the intro. This is how I do my base. Yeah. First step, let's wash our face. I have my ever so trusted Very face wash from Westside, so I'm going to use that. Then when our face dry, we have the Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. Just go in with the lip balm, any lip balm of your choice. Now get a dampened a wet beauty sponge, and you can use your concealers. I have an orange color corrector because I have a lot of darkness, as you can see, so for that. And I have this mini so concealer which fits my skin for some reason. And I'll just blend all of this out. I'll just give you a close up. Yep, so like the place I have to take it. So, you know, color correctors, get these to your skin tone. Since I'm a little on the darker side, since I'm a little on the darker side, this will, you know, get the hyperpigmented marks a little closer to my shade, so I can go over with the concealer on this. Like, that's why I turned off the light. Go over. I did look scary there for a second. Okay. Yep, and that's me in white light. I know there's like too much foreshadowing, but I can't have it. It's like, see? It's blended, and on top of this I can go with my regular concealer, that is this, and yeah. It's also the twisty kind. And then I can go over the same spots if I wish to. Or if you feel the color correctors, then just stick to your color correctors. Beauty sponge and conceal. Oh my god, okay, color correctors are awesome, you guys. In case you didn't know, it's the first time I'm using it, and I'm so amazed right now, you have no idea. Because for someone who hyperpigments like me, this is a game changer, and I'm loving this. My face with the color corrector and the concealer now, it looks white and patchy because I don't have my foundation on. This is my shade, it's 338, and this is my Fit Me foundation shade. Loose powder. So yes, if you want to make your face loose, powder is the way to go, guys. So there's usually a little, it's the whole kind of thing, and just apply it wherever you want to, like set your face so that your makeup doesn't move at all. For me, it's my oily regions right here, so there, my T-zone basically. The break on my face. I know it looks stupid and ugly, but trust me, it helps your makeup not to move. And after that, for the rest of my face, I just use the same translucent powder and go over the other regions because you need to set your face anyways. Bakes, I will use the Smashbox Superfine Mascara. I have a mini. I'm done with my mascara, you can't see it here, but I messed it up a little. Also, when you mess up mascara, don't try rubbing it off when it's still wet. Wait for the lashes to dry. Wait for that thing also to dry so that you can just, rub it off and it'll just come in one smooth motion. You don't have to, spoil the rest of it. I'm just going in with the spoolie for my eyebrow hair. You can also go in with a little hair gel for your eyebrow hair, but right now I'm not doing that because I don't have hair gel. That's something that works. Like, you don't have to always think of laminating your brows. If you want that day, you can. But just want it when you're going out, just get some hair gel and finish that out. And I feel my bake is baked. You don't have to let it on for too long, like 5 to 10 minutes, depends on how oily your skin is. If your skin is more oily, just let it sit for a longer time. I want to dust it off with the same brush. Also, if you're setting it with hair gel, make sure you're doing it right at the beginning. It was like you saw when I was dusting my bake off. It comes in between the eyebrows and it might mess it up. Like I said again, it might look like it's a little too much, but it's okay. Just believe. It will be fine. The only thing I have left is my lips, which I will do after I select what to wear. So let's go see what I want to wear. And that's my outfit. I got this dark blue Tommy sweatshirt, crew neck, and some black jeans, otherwise the booties. And we're almost set to go because I don't know what to do with my lip, and since I'm wearing this, I don't think I want to do much. I think I'm just gonna let it be. Yep. That's the final look. I know I have textured skin, and this is the best we can do. That's a bump we can't hide. All of this is concealed. It looks, you can't really see it's concealed because it's just like too close, but